Hello again, third graders. This is the second video to show you another multiple step problem on that same page. But this time I'm just going to walk you through that first step, and then I'm going to let you think about it and really work through that second step till you get to your final answer. So just want to also start off there's different ways of solving this problem. There's as long as you arrive to the correct answer. So if you have a different way than I've shown you, then please take a picture of it and send it to your teachers. We want to know the different ways that you can solve it to be able to get to the correct number. Okay, all right, so this problem starts off with Lauren and Gina's mother told her daughters they can swim in the pool for 20 minutes. Okay, so here's my first number. I know they have a total of 20 minutes to swim. First, they swam laps in the pool for 7 minutes. Okay, I have one number. So far, they've only spent 7 minutes from the 20 in swimming laps. Then they swam underwater for 1 minute. Ooh, that one's tricky because it's in word form and not number form, but that's one more minute. Then they played water polo for 8 minutes. There's the other number. How much longer can they stay in the pool? Okay, so I see that I actually have 4 numbers that I need to be able to work with and figure out. So I really need to think about this. I know that we have a total of 20, and the question is asking me how much longer. When I have those 3 words, how much longer, how many fewer, how much fewer, any of those usually tells you it's a difference question. You want to find the difference. So that's a subtraction. So I know one of these steps I'm going to have to subtract. So for the first part, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to find out how much time did they spend already in the pool. So I know that they swam laps for 7 minutes. Then I'm going to add to that the 1 minute that they swam underwater. And then I'm finally going to add their water polo game for 8 minutes. Okay, so this is what they've spent so far. So then I know 7 plus 1 is going to be 8. And 8 plus 8 makes a double, so 8 plus 8 I know is 16. Okay, so now I want you to think. Okay, now we have these other numbers. So now we have the numbers 16 and 20, because we already used these. Okay, so I want you to think, okay, so what do you think we're going to do next? So far, they have spent 16 minutes playing in the pool, and their mom only gave them 20 minutes. How much longer can they stay in there? Okay, so I want you to work through that second step, and then when you go over here to your answer, don't forget to write in a complete sentence. The question asks, how much longer can they stay in the pool? So remember to include your label, which in here would be like minutes, because that's what we're counting in. We're counting in minutes. And then again, think 20 minutes in total that the mom gave them. They've already spent 16. Okay, so I want you to figure out that second step and the final answer, and then let us know what you got. Remember, this is not a portfolio, but it's still a very good idea to keep practicing. All right, good luck there, graders.